This be sitting right here on the back. Hey, what y'all think, bro? Look, let y'all look at this, man. Look at this, man. Y'all see that? I found this. This came out of Ohio. Look at that. You got the sensor mounts inside of there. Got the bezel that go around. The hardware. Look at that.
I'm just ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Came out with presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better with my top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that rose gold compliment.
Alright, this is a video, quick video showing the new pieces that came in. So what happened was, after I told the last video with the kitty cat story, the meow got in front of the car, messed up my grill. This time, ordered the grill. These kids are distracting the hell out of me. Olivia, just as soon as the camera starts, she just starts to look at me and want to run to the camera. Anyway, see how this grill, man. This is remarkable. Because the grill that I saw originally, everybody was posting was like over $1,000, $1,200 shipped to the house, something like that, crazy. I found this. This came out of Ohio. Look at that. You got the sensor mounts inside of there. Got the bezel that go around. The hardware. Look at that, man. That's fiberglass. No, carbon fiber. And I was thinking about painting this black, but I might leave this. That black carbon fiber is gonna be a nice little accent look. Cause I was thinking about making it all black, but I think I might keep that carbon fiber look. So what I'm gonna get done though is I'm gonna get this taken off, pull this off, and get this back painted gloss black, because this is almost like a flat black. It's not glossy, and I want that gloss. So get this bezel taken out. Oh, it just snaps in, snaps out. Okay. Yeah, pull this bezel out. Get the grill painted gloss black, and pop this mug back in. I had the carbon fiber bezel with the gloss black background. Look at that, man. It's crazy. This thing is nasty. It's gonna get rid of this. Look at this, man. Look at this damage, bro. That is ugly. Try to get that. That is ugly, man. Look at that. This. We have this going on the car. Bam. Gonna fit right up in there. Sensor mouth going there. Got that open mouth down here now. Just gonna completely transform the look of the front here. Of course, with the bezel. Bum bum. It's gonna look disgusting. Like that, 80?
What did you do to its lips?
Huh?
What did you do to its lips?
It was smoking tar.
Okay, so it makes me want to grow.
Yeah, the lips black as hell now. So we're gonna get this painted. So I'm actually gonna drop the car off this week. That way, all this gonna get done now. I've been waiting for everything to come in, and of course I've been taking my time. It's not been a rush, because I mean, It ain't been a rush. I mean, my body guy, the dude doing the painting, called and told me like a week and a half ago that the money got sent to him. I said I'll be in touch. He said, all right, 10-4. So I finally gonna bring it the call to him this week so he can get all the work done. And I'll make sure I bring all these parts, all this stuff to be done right. You know, get that up, put this up. Now I'm gonna let y'all see the other piece. Keep in mind now, originally I wasn't even gonna get the grill. I was telling y'all like, man, I don't know, you better get the grill, but I know for sure what I am gonna get. Well, I ended up getting the grill. I ended up finding a good one. When I saw this on eBay, I said, yo, alright, boom. Next thing, we now have the spoiler. This is the spoiler that goes on the trunk. I have not opened it up yet, but I guess to you guys, I'll open it up right now. Let's take a look at it for the first time. Crack this thing open. Because this what goes on the trunk. This is the nice sound, scratch nothing up. Carbon fiber as well. My original game plan was to keep the black look on the car, and I'm gonna take a look at this. I'm just gonna get my eyes on it. I still thinking about keep making this painted black and not having the carbon fiber on there. Even though carbon fiber looks cool, that black just different. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it black too. I'm gonna get this thing black. So let me get this all the way off. I got some wax and stuff down in here. All right, got it uncovered now. Can you help her? Y'all are making bad video quality. It's like y'all all migrate over here when the video comes on. Y'all was way out there in the yard. Y'all need to go way back out there in the yard again. Y'all are just messing up my video right now. So this carbon fiber, this is definitely getting painted black. We thinking about the black accessories. Let's go, look, man. Let's go. Let's get a better idea how this look on camera. We put some light on, and this is sitting right here on the back. I don't know, man. I'm kind of sitting right here. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's nasty itself. Woo. I don't know, man. God damn. Hey, what y'all think, bro? Look, let y'all look at this, man. Look at this, man. Y'all see that? Got it sitting on there. Man, that is a hard one right there. Let me turn the shop lights. I want some more light in here. See how this gonna look. Turn the shop light on. See how this is. this really gonna look, man. Carbon fiber. Hey, ask Aiden. Ask Aiden. Aiden will help you. Man, what y'all think, bro? Black or carbon fiber? That carbon fiber just... I might have to keep the carbon fiber. I don't want too much carbon fiber. That's a hard one. 'Cause I don't want carbon fiber inserts all over, pieces all over the car. I want the car to look black. Leave it right there, Mom. I'm gonna get it. Leave it right there. So, cause you get to a point where it gets too pieced out with so much carbon fiber pieces all picked and dabbled around the car, like the carbon fiber mirror covers and the carbon fiber body kit, and you know, I don't want too much carbon fiber. So that's gonna be a hard one, man. Look, why that's in play? And y'all know we already got the front lip. The front lip gonna get done. I'm gonna get them to not put the front lip on. I'm gonna get the front lip painted, and once I get it painted, I'm gonna get them to put it right back in the plastic like that and bring it here, and I'm gonna fit it on and install it myself, because I gotta get across my bridge, and that slope, you can see that you can't even see the bridge. That'll be next to hill you're going down, and I'm not about to install that and come here and first day driving in, scraping that mug up to the bottom. So I gotta figure out a solution to make sure I can ensure that I can get in my driveway without destroying this mug. But about this spoiler, woo! Oh, this disgusting right here. I ain't gonna lie. It's disgusting, bro. It's so hard. I don't even know. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. It's coming off. I really don't care about how, might have a little couple baby scratches. It's coming off regardless. That bottom piece coming off. This going on. This is going on. Question is, will it be black, carbon fiber? And honestly, I'm thinking more and more as I think, probably stick to my original game plan, and this is going to just be black. And where it looked like it was part of the car, like it came with the car, it's part of the car, not like it's an add-on. Even though it's built to what the curves match the car, like it's factory anyway, I want it to look all the way factory. And that might be the best way, best route, and the route I go. Because then when you think about it up here, I got a factory roof spoiler right here, which is already part of the car. So you want your accessories that look pieced on to all match. So as much as I love that carbon fiber, I'm gonna black over that thing, paint that thing out, and then I'll start taking this wrap off this week, getting all this wrap off, and then get the mirror covers off. I'll probably pop all this off when I get to the shop. Because it don't take no time to pop the mirror covers off and the hood louvers out. But the main thing, getting this mug put on. And I know the rock, I know you got a tutorial on it. I'm going to go look for your tutorial on how to put this mug on. And it's going to be on. And we're gonna be on the cracking, man. So anyway, quick video showing y'all the updates on what's going on. The car will be dropped off this week for repairs. This wrap coming off because all this junk peeling. You can see this window trim coming off, which is my first little trim wrap. Wasn't horrible, wasn't great, but all this coming off. This coming off. I'm gonna take these off. That's gonna stay chrome. That's gonna be this, and the tailpipes are gonna be the only chrome thing on the car. That and the pipes. You know, everybody get black crazy and want to take all the black off. Oh, chrome away now. That's coming off. So that now, this on the other hand, this Jaguar might remove this right here and see if I can set it right here, right up under here. After that's put on, Get that Jaguar decal put right back on the back of that. So that's another little mod I think I'm gonna add on myself after the painting gets done. And I might see if he can do that. You know, I'm probably see if they can do that. Take care of that for me. And anyway, short video. Tell me what y'all like, man. Man, give me y'all votes, bro. Tell me what y'all think about. Look, we got the grill bezel with the carbon fiber and the grill trim on the up front, which I think it'll look nasty. But then it's like have carbon fiber just on the front grill and not the back. All carbon fiber, just carbon fiber front nose trim, or just the back carbon fiber and all gloss. You know, like what it is, man. I'm confused. Let me know y'all votes, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. It's car coming soon. Let me know ASAP. Alright, deuces.